Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel General Studies for You. Friends, today I tell about all important international and national days of January, February and March month. Friends, this is the first part of important days. For the second and third part, I will tell you in the later videos. So let's start. January 1, Global Family Day. This day is celebrated as a day of peace and sharing. Now we have January 4. Friends, on the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, this day is celebrated to mark the importance of Braille as a means of communication for blind and visually impaired people. Next, we have January 9, NRI Day, Non-Resident Indian Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Friends, on January 9, 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India. So, every year on January 9, NRI Day is celebrated to mark the contribution of overseas Indians in our country. Now we have January 10 as a World Hindi Day. Friends, to mark the awareness about Hindi language across the world, January 10 is celebrated as World Hindi Day. And the date January 10 is chosen because the first World Hindi Conference organized in Nagpur on January 10, 1975. Next we have January 11 as a National Human Trafficking Awareness Day or Wear Blue Day hashtag. So on this day, Wear Blue campaign is organized for bringing awareness among the people against human trafficking. January 12, National Youth Day on the occasion of birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. On January 12, National Youth Day is celebrated. Now we have January 15, Indian Army Day. Friends, on this day in 1949, Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa became first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army. So, on January 15, every year we celebrate Indian Army Day. January 17, World Religion Day. January 23 is the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. January 24, National Girl Child Day. We celebrate National Girl Child Day to promote girl child problems such as child marriage, education, legal rights, and protection, etc. Now, January 25, National Voters Day. Friends, Election Commission of India established on January 25, 1950 by the Article 324 of Constitution of India. So we celebrate National Voters Day to encourage young people for voting. Again on January 25 we have one more day, National Tourism Day, and this day is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of tourism. Friends, now we have well-known January 26. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, so we celebrate every year January 26 as a Republic Day. Again on January 26 we have International Custom Day to recognize the role of custom officials and agencies for border security across the world. Now we have January 28, birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. January 30 Martyrs Day or Shahid Divas. Friends, this day is celebrated this day is celebrated for the brave martyrs who died for the country and in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi who died on January 30, 1948. Friends, we have to remember that March 23 is also celebrated as Martyrs Day for three revolutionaries of India, that is Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, who were hanged by British. Again on January 30 we celebrate World Leprosy Eradication Day. This is all about the January month of important days. Now we have February month. February 1st we celebrate Indian Coast Guard Day. February 2 World Wetlands Day, because on this date the adaptation of Convention of Wetlands is happened in Ramsar, Iran. February 4 World Cancer Day. February 12 is celebrated as Darwin Day, the father of biology. February 13 World Radio Day. February 20 World Day of Social Justice. February 21 International Mother Language Day. This day is celebrated to bring awareness about language and cultural diversity across the world. February 24 Central Excise Day and February 28 this is National Science Day and celebrated for Raman effect discovery by Sir C.V. Raman, and for that he received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. So this is all about February month. Now we have March month. March 1st is celebrated as Zero Discrimination Day to honor the dignity of everyone with respect to age, gender, skin color and height, etc. Friends, the symbol of zero discrimination is butterfly. Again March 1 as World Civil Defense Day. March 3rd World Wildlife Day. March 3rd World Hearing Day. March 4th National Safety Day. And the most important day, March 8th, International Women's Day. And we celebrate this day for social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women and also for gender equality. Now we have March 11, No Smoking Day. And usually this day is observed every year on the second Wednesday of the March month. Now we have March 15 as a World Consumer Rights Day. March 16 National Vaccination Day, also known as National Immunization Day. Next is March 21 World Forestry Day. Again March 21 we have World Sparrow Day. Third time March 21 we have World Down Syndrome Day, and this is the fourth time we have March 21 for World Poetry Day. For March 22 we have World Water Day, and for March 23 that is World Meteorological Day, and on March 24 World Tuberculosis Day is celebrated. And the last is March 25, that is every year Earth Hour is observed on March 25 between 8:30 pm to 9:30 pm at local time. So friends, this is the all about March month, and overall this is the important days of January, February and March month. I hope friends you will like this video, and for that please like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you very much friends.